Are you experiencing symptoms that may indicate low testosterone levels? Testosterone plays a critical role in our physical and mental health. In this video, we're going to explore the 10 signs of low testosterone levels. Let's start with fatigue. If you're constantly feeling tired despite getting enough sleep, this could be a sign of low testosterone. Testosterone plays a crucial role in energy levels, so a decline can leave you feeling drained. Second, we have low sex drive. Testosterone plays a vital role in libido. A decrease in this hormone can result in a reduced desire for sexual activity. Third, we turn to mood swings. Testosterone affects mood regulation. Low levels can lead to mood swings, irritability, or even depression. Fourth, we look at difficulty in concentration. Testosterone helps in maintaining mental acuity. If you're having trouble focusing or remembering things, low testosterone might be the cause. Fifth, we have weight gain. Testosterone helps regulate body fat. Low levels can lead to an increase in body fat, especially around the midsection. Sixth, we look at muscle loss. Testosterone is essential for muscle mass and strength. If you're losing muscle mass, this could be a sign of low testosterone. Seventh, we discuss sleep disturbances. Testosterone levels rise during sleep. If you're having trouble sleeping, it could be affecting your testosterone levels. Eighth, we delve into hair loss. While it's normal to lose some hair with age, significant hair loss can be a sign of low testosterone. Ninth, we talk about hot flashes. Yes, men can have them too. Low testosterone can cause a sudden feeling of warmth in the face, neck, and chest. Finally, 10th, we look at breast enlargement. Low testosterone can cause an imbalance in hormones, which may result in breast enlargement in men, a condition known as gynecomastia. In conclusion, if you identify with multiple signs discussed today, it's essential to consult a healthcare provider. They can conduct a simple blood test to check your testosterone levels and guide you on the next steps. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.